Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Engr.ashfaq. Today we are going to sketch another 2D exercise of AutoCAD. So I will start from the above portion whose dimensions are shown. So first of all, press enter, align and select a line of 90 as shown and go on tab side of 40 dimensions. So there are 4 teeth on above whose width is 15 and the trim width is 10. So give a width of 15, come below on 10 degree. So draw these 4 teeth, upward 15 and 10. This is the above figure. Now I will draw a center line of 165. This is the reference line. Just first of all, I am going to offset the below line on 10. So I have offset this line and 10. I am going to sketch end lines at 2 lines at its end, and I will offset those lines on 10 mm from both sides, as one dimension is 70 and another one is 60. Trim the extra entities by selecting trim command. Now I will draw the below line whose dimensions are 120 and 100. So select line, come across 60 degree from one side, so 60 mm from one side, and draw a line of 120 mm. Now offset this line on 10 from above. Press F and enter. So offset this line on 10. Now draw those 2 side lines and offset those lines on 10 from both sides. So we will get 100 mm line easily. So trim the extra entities. So this is the reference figure. One thing is remaining. Now I'm going to sketch 2 lines on its 70 mm dimension and will offset on 5 mm to both sides, targeting my 60 mm width specific points. draw those lines on below. So opposite the line, these lines are 5. First of all, I will measure its dimension as shown. So it is 60 and we also needed 60, so I have achieved the reference point for my lines. So select line and switch up for perpendicular and go to below where it meets with 100 mm line. So this is my reference lines. Now go to mirror command and just simply mirror this line on the other side of the center line. Now trim the extra entities. Now as the below 100 mm line is as shown, which is opposite on 50 mm above, and the center line is opposite at 40 mm. So for getting the references for two circles of diameter 35, so I will offset the below line of 100 mm on 50 and draw a circle of diameter 35. So this is my reference circle which I have drawn, and I will simply mirror this circle on the other side of my line with mirror command. Simply go to arc command, arc with start, end and direction, and draw two arcs on both sides for achieving the specific shape. So mirror this arc on the other side of the center line. Similarly, draw another arc at below. So start the arc here from one line end point, end it with another point, and give the specific direction as shown in the reference figure. So also mirror this arc on the other side of the center line. Now here is given of fillet of radius 80 mm with the line and the circle. So go to fillet command, select radius and press 80. Press select circle and line. So it will fillet it on 80 mm fillet. Similarly, go to other sides and will offset the reference figure. So my figure is complete. Now go to trim TR11, enter, and trim the extra entities. So this is my reference figure as shown. Trim the extra entities. Now go to dimension with linear, sketch all the dimensions as shown in previous values. I have drawn all dimensions and go to properties of dimension. Just to optimize the text size and arrow sizes for specific give a precision value to your dimensions. So my figure is complete. If you like my work, please don't forget to like and subscribe my work. Thanks for watching. So now the sketch is complete. Now I'm going to take a print out of my drawing. So go to Control V with the window across your given figure. Center with lot and press OK. So this is my final figure. Thanks for watching my work and enjoying my work. So this is my final figure. Please like and subscribe my channel.